If you need to have a backup system in case the electric goes out, or you just want to save money on your electric bill, then watch how I put this system together. The power from these 4 batteries is actually running through my equipment into my fuse box, which will in turn put out 120 volts AC to power the critical things in my house. Okay, so these are BYD cells in here, and it's going to surpass most of the lithium battery products on the market. It does have the 100 amp BMS in here, and it has a maximum of 200 amps for 2 seconds. It has current protection against overcharge, discharge, overload, and short circuit. Also high temperature and low temperature cutoffs. So basically all of the same features as most high-end server rack batteries are going to have. It has your on and off switches to power up the BMS, and then it has the on and off breakers to power up the bus bars here. There's basically 16 small batteries, and they're all hooked together to make this one big server rack battery. And these dip switches here are going to let you set each dip switch a little bit different whenever you're running communication. It is equipped internally with active balancing, which just means that it's going to keep the individual cells balanced. I have the positive to the positive to the positive to the positive, and same on the negative side here, negative, negative, negative. So we daisy chained this one and ran the wiring up to the inverter. It's the most ideal way to do it if you don't have a bus bar. This system should run day and night without an issue. I won't really even know that the electricity went out. And I'm thinking about getting 4 more of these. Remember, you could put 20, even 30 solar panels hooked to this inverter.